trip. Today I'm going to make another quarantine meal. And our main ingredients is spam. Yes. And this recipe, I call it spam fried rice, my own version. So, of course, our main ingredients is spam. I slice them into tiny pieces. And carrot, one whole carrot. It's important to add some nutrients. Frozen peas, frozen corn, and I have leftover rice that I've been separate earlier, and garlic, a lot of onion, colorful bell pepper, and a scallion from my garden. I just used the green part. Alright, let's start. First, preheat the pan, and I use olive oil, but you can use any kind of oil. I use maybe 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Preheat them, make sure they're preheat. And then add the spam first. Alright, as you can see, I put the spam first, saute them and brown them. And once it's brown, add the onion. Add onion and follow the garlic. And brown them, mix them with the spam. And once you start adding the onion and garlic, put the heat into medium. Don't make it too high that it will burn the spam. Just medium heat. Oh, I can smell. I can smell the onion and garlic. And then continue to stir them and brown them. Add the onion and garlic. Now they're turning into brown. I follow the egg. I use 2 eggs. Make sure to put your egg in a bowl, or make sure that there's no shell on it, and then follow the egg. Make sure to cook the egg. Add salt and pepper to the egg. Salt, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of pepper. So as you can see, the egg are now cooked. You can follow the frozen peas, the carrot, the frozen corn, and mix them in there. Look at that, colorful. They're pretty. Make sure they're all cooked before you add the rice, because the rice is already cooked. All you have to do is to mix them in there and kind of warm them with the. Okay, once you add the frozen corn and frozen peas and the carrot, stir them, and I cover them for up to 6 to 8 minutes. And then you can try them, and if you can tell that it stays cooked, then follow the rice. So you can use any variety of rice. What I have in my kitchen is jasmine, but you can use different kind of rice that you prepare. And then once you add the rice, stir them, add soy sauce, maybe another 1 tablespoon, 1 to 2 tablespoons, but it's up to you. Don't add too much, that it will turn very salty. And then stir them. Then you can follow the rest of the ingredients. The green scallion that I got from my garden, and then the colorful bell pepper, and stir them. When you cook fried rice, stirring is important. Look at that, they're so pretty and colorful and appetizing. Right, as if you can see the steam, that means it's ready. After you add the rice and the green scallion and the colorful bell pepper, stir them and then you cover them for up to 3 to 5 minutes. Give them time to cook and mix them all together with their individual flavor. And you can taste them. If you think you need salt and pepper, then you can adjust. It depends on how you like your fried rice. But I tried not to be too salty with mine. Alright, enjoy your fried rice. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, MJ's Food Trip. Bye. Thank you.